Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is ethical values. Ladies and gentlemen, human life is actually nothing without ethical values. Every individual belongs to a particular profession, and those professional values are respected by people belonging to different types of profession. But along with professional values, there are certain human values also. And if we are not following these human values, even our professional life will also become unstable. Why following human values is important? Because before anything, we are first of all human beings. We are first of all human beings, and only human beings become part of different types of profession. They are parts of different types of profession, but still they are humans. That's why following human values is very crucial, ladies and gentlemen, and these are known as moral values, ethical values. If you do not follow ethical values in your professional life is not going to give you desired results. Doesn't matter how intelligent you are, doesn't matter how professionally smart you are. Ethics is more crucial. Now let me tell you, what are these ethical values? Please have a look at this chart, ladies and gentlemen. The number one here says respect. This is very crucial, ladies and gentlemen. If you are not showing respect towards other people, how can you expect that other people will respect you in any way? It is a very old saying, ladies and gentlemen, give respect and take respect. If you are not giving respect, please don't deserve that other person will respect you in any way. Second quality is trust, which is the most crucial quality in any kind of corporate environment. Your organization must trust you, ladies and gentlemen. As a thorough professional, it is your responsibility that you must develop such a character that your organization has full faith in you. This is the hallmark of a true professional. Third point is spirituality. Now, why I am mentioning spirituality over here? What is the meaning of spirituality? Am I saying that you should meditate? You should pray to God every time? Now that is also important, ladies and gentlemen, but here I am talking about professional spirituality. And professional spirituality lies in performing your task in a better way and being highly loyal towards your organization, towards the task that you are doing. That is known as professional spirituality. Professional purity, ladies and gentlemen. Spirituality always leads to purity. And if you are professionally pure, that is always equivalent to spirituality. That's why I'm mentioning here spirituality. Next point is tolerance. Only those people are respected in society who are highly tolerant, who do not lose their temper at small situations of life. Ladies and gentlemen, being tolerant is very crucial quality. You must try to understand other person's point of view before reacting in a particular way. The people who do not try to understand other people's point of view, they are always intolerant. And that is an absolutely unacceptable behavior in good society. Now flexibility, again very crucial, ladies and gentlemen. Flexibility in corporate environment is very important because nowadays having knowledge of only one particular technology is not sufficient. And I'm saying this thing in terms of Indian job market, which has been highly unstable. Highly unstable Indian job market, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever you study in your graduations and post-graduations, you hit the market and you find that it is nowhere in corporate world. It is nowhere in corporate world. Books are teaching something else, and actual corporate environment is entirely different. That's why you need to be highly flexible. Even if you have to change your profession at a particular period of time, even if you have to change your professional personality at a particular period of time, depending upon the outside circumstances, you must be ready for that. You must be ready for that, ladies and gentlemen. That is known as professional flexibility. Then sincerity. Now, what is the meaning of sincerity? Whatever you are doing, do it with full dedication. Whatever responsibilities have been thrown upon you by your organization, try to be highly perfect in accomplishing those responsibilities. Be sincere towards your organization. Be sincere towards your professional task. This is the only criteria of achieving long-term growth and long-term reputation in society. Then we have patience. Now, why I am mentioning patience here? Here I am specifically talking about having patience when you have completed your task and you are waiting for desired results. Ladies and gentlemen, here I am specifically talking about this type of patience. You have finished your task, you have done your best, and now you are waiting for the results. Of course, if a person has done his best, if he has participated 100% with full dedication in an activity, he is always eager for getting results at a fast pace, ladies and gentlemen, because that person has really worked hard in that particular task. That's why he is always impatient that when the result will be declared and when I will come to know that what I did. But ladies and gentlemen, sometimes in corporate environment, efforts are rewarded late. That's why you need to be highly conscious about this, and you need to be highly patient in any kind of act that you are doing inside your industry. Results will be rewarded, but it will certainly take a certain period of time. And as a thorough professional, it is your responsibility to be patient, ladies and gentlemen. That's why patience is one of the most crucial ethical values. And the last one is perseverance. It means you are highly determined not to leave a particular kind of task. You are highly determined not to leave a particular kind of situation that is creating problem for you, but instead you try your best to come out of that situation. Perseverance, ladies and gentlemen. Whenever you are facing a grim situation in life, you do not quit that scenario, you do not run away from that situation, but you remain patient and you try your best to come out of that situation. Why? Because you might face same kind of situation again in your life. And if you are developing a habit of quitting today, you will develop the habit of quitting even in future. And how long will you keep quitting from bad situations in your life? Bad situations keep coming. It is all about your dedication and commitment towards a particular target, towards resolution of a particular problem, that will develop the confidence in your personality to cater to any kind of defect in your professional life. Perseverance, ladies and gentlemen. If today you feel afraid of a particular situation, in future also your attitude will be the same towards that kind of situation. And bad situations, they keep coming, ladies and gentlemen. That's why whenever you face a bad situation in life, be determined. Try to resolve that situation there and then. If you resolve that situation perfectly and properly, you will develop the confidence in your personality that whenever again the same kind of situation comes in your life, you are ready with a proper solution of it. That's why perseverance is very crucial, ladies and gentlemen, for a professional. Now, I would like to repeat again, ethical values: respect, respecting others, Trust, try to develop your trust. Spirituality, then tolerance, flexibility, sincerity, patience, and perseverance. These are the most crucial qualities. These are the most crucial ethical values, ladies and gentlemen, that you must try to develop in your personality. Only then you will be considered as a great professional, as a great human being. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video, and I hope that definitely you are going to follow all these crucial values in your personal life, in your professional life also. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA for more interesting videos in future, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.